Ever wondered if a mother's health during pregnancy could influence her child's metabolic health? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Think of it this way. Just as the health of a seed determines the growth of a plant, a mother's health during pregnancy could affect her child's health. One aspect of this is the mother's level of cobalamin and homocysteine. Now you might be wondering, what are these? Well, cobalamin is synonym for vitamin B12. It's a vital nutrient that our bodies need for normal functioning. On the other hand, homocysteine is an amino acid. While it's a natural part of our body's processes, high levels can be harmful. These elements, cobalamin and homocysteine, play a crucial role during pregnancy. Their levels in a mother's body could potentially have long-term effects on her child's metabolic health. Intriguing, isn't it? So could a mother's levels of cobalamin and homocysteine during pregnancy affect her child's metabolic health? Let's delve deeper. A recent scientific study has brought some fascinating findings to light. So let's cut through the scientific jargon and decode what this all means. The study by Rojas-Gómez and team found that pregnant women with higher levels of homocysteine and lower levels of cobalamin had children who later displayed higher metabolic scores. Now you might be wondering, what's a metabolic score, right? Well, it's a measure of metabolic health, taking into account factors such as fat mass index, insulin resistance, and dyslipidemia. In simpler terms, it's a way to gauge how well your body processes what you eat and drink, and how it stores and uses energy. The intriguing part of this study is that the effects were specifically observed in boys. Yes, you heard that right, only in male offspring. This relationship between a mother's homocysteine and cobalamin levels during pregnancy and her child's metabolic health didn't seem to be influenced by the child's birth weight either. Interestingly, it wasn't the actual levels of cobalamin in the blood plasma that mattered, but rather the functional markers of cobalamin status. These are substances in the body that indicate how well it's using cobalamin. So what does this mean for mothers and children? Well, we'll delve into that in our next segment. Stay tuned. Implications and conclusions. These findings have significant implications for expectant mothers and children. The study emphasizes the importance of maintaining healthy cobalamin levels and controlling homocysteine during pregnancy to potentially enhance a child's metabolic health. Interestingly, these effects were observed primarily in male offspring 7 years after birth. This study sheds fresh light on how impaired metabolism during pregnancy can influence a child's health in the long term. In a later study done by Singh and team, corroborating evidence has been found that maternal vitamin B12 deficiency has a programming effect on the next generation and increases the risk for cardiometabolic syndrome only in male rats. So the health of a mother during pregnancy can indeed cast a long shadow, shaping her child's metabolic health in ways we're only beginning to understand. Links to the scientific papers are available in the description below.